JetSetBarbers.com.
Anyone can cut a fade in 5 steps. All you need is an adjustable clipper with a reliable guard system.
I'm posting links to my favorite guard systems in the description below. For any good guard system, the comb should even...
Hey, brother. This ain't QVC, brother. I gotta get to the clinic before 5.
Alright, man, I got you.
Brother, stuff. You know, black people always start talking proper when they start selling stuff. But I'm sorry, I know you trying to not. I know you don't want to be in the system. You want to sell your little guards. Don't nobody give a damn about no goddamn guards, brother. I give a damn about you coming to cut my hair, brother. I got where I got to be, all right? My brother lollygagging, gallivanting, brother. Oh, that's music to my ears, baby. Come on. Let me ask you a question, brother. When you run out of weed, do you cut your dreads off and roll that up? Because, you know, them Rastafarians.
What kind of question is that?
You gotta take off your glasses, bruh.
Cut around them.
Oh, really? How the hell we supposed to do that?
How the hell did Jesus walk across the river with no shoes, brother? I don't know. Do you?
So you serious? You wanna get cut with glasses on? I think them fake ass frames are squeezing your head too tight, bruh.
You know what?
Yes, and you look like you was left off bad and bougie.
Hope your girl get up period tonight. How about that?
Alright, as promised, we're gonna do a quick 5-step fade demonstration on my man OG Bobby Love. Let's get it. I'm starting at the top. The reason we do this is to avoid getting lost in the fade. It also gives us a smooth canvas to work with. We're starting step 2 at the bottom. By that I mean we're establishing the first guideline. Keep it clean and even all the way around the head. I'm now going to cut the second guideline. Make it slightly higher and parallel to the first. Now that the first and second guidelines are established, I'm going to fade out everything below the second guideline. And notice that even though this brother has 360 waves on the side with a jerry curl on top, I can still fade it out with no problem.
I'm gonna let that one slide, right?
Step 5 is simple. Start blending from the top down and watch the fade take form. If you want detailed instructions about the 5-step fade system, clippers, guards, and barbering in general, just go to JetSetBarbers.com. Alright, I'm gonna let the credits roll. You guys can check out my work. Peace.
I'm done?
Yep.
Now let me see what you're talking about now.
Yeah, them big ass glasses, I bet you see everything.
Alright, brother. Okay, it was worth that wait, brother. I like it. Listen, you keep cutting hair like this.
JetSetBarbers.com.